Hello and welcome to Podgrads. Today, we are unlocking a core concept for building advanced AI chains. If you want your AI to perform complex, multi step tasks, chains are essential toolkit to do it. So, first of all, what are chains? Think of them as intelligent assembly lines for your AI. They connect different AI building blocks like instructions, models, and output processes in a specific order. This isn't just about asking one question and getting one answer. It's about creating a sophisticated AI workflow. Chains are fundamental to how LangChain enables AI to plan and execute. Now let's consider a complex task like researching, drafting, or and then summarizing. Why would a single massive prompt for all of these steps lead to problems? The AI would struggle with focus and maintaining context across diverse subtasks. It might excel at research, but then produce a weaker summary to mix up instructions. The quality becomes unpredictable because it is juggling too much. Chains solve this issue by dedicating a focused component for each and every step. So what is core principle? What is core chaining principle? Fundamentally, it's about linking components sequentially like prompt, model, and then parcel. This is foundational pattern for many generative AI tasks. The LCL or LangChain expression language and its pipe operator are elegant glue. This ensures seamless data flow from one step to the next. While this prompt model parser pattern is foundational, chains can become incredibly complex, evolving loops or chains that call other chains, building sophisticated reasoning structures. Now, a practical challenge. An LLM sometimes outputs structured data instead of expected plain text. How can a chain adapt to extra specific text before a final parser? Handling both output types. You would insert a runnable lambda after the model and before your final parser. This lambda acts as an adapter. It inspects the model's output. If it is already plain text, it passes it through. If it is a structured data like JSON, the lambda extracts the relevant data or text fields and then it returns the structured version that we expect. This ensures the final parser receives the plain text that we wanted, making your chain for LLM output variations. Branching chains. AI workflows often require decision making based on input and intermediate result. You might need to choose a different path. This is like having a if else logic in your AI pipeline, achieving with branching chains. LangChain can facilitate this with using its condition action pairs. A condition evaluates the input. If true, the corresponding action executes. The default path handle cases with no condition matches. Branching allow for creating more dynamic and responsive AI systems that don't just follow one grid path. Imagine an automated email reply system. How would a branching chain can help you generate and draft different emails based on classifying emails on urgent inquiry, standard request, or spam. It's a perfect fit. First, an initial chain classifies the email, then runnable branch takes over. If it is urgent inquiry, it routes to a subchain drafting an urgent reply. If it is a standard request, it uses different subchain for standard helpful responses. If it is a spam, it might trigger a logging action to minimal acknowledgement. A default path could flag unclassified emails for manual review. This creates a far more intelligent and context-aware automated system. Parallel chains. Sometimes you need to perform several different operations on the sample input all at once. Imagine analyzing user feedback. You want a summary, key entities, and sentiment for all the same text. This is where parallel chains comes in. Runnable parallel lets you define multiple independent processing branches. Each branch can be its own mini chain, all starting from the same input. LangChain can execute this concurrently, especially if they involve non-blocking operations like multiple API calls. This is particularly powerful when tasks involve input-output bound operations as Python's async capabilities. The main argument is reducing overall wall clock capacity. Sequentially, total time is sum of all tasks. But if the tasks are independent, total time we can reduce with parallel chains is the longest single task. This is significant speed up. Extended chains. Chains aren't limited to just LLM calls. We can extend them. This means adding custom Python logic for post processing right within the chain. The LCL is perfect for this. After an LLM generates text, you might want to standardize it, like converting to lowercase or enrich it, perhaps by adding words, word counts, or timestamps. Simple validation checks can also be integrated here. This is crucial for ensuring outputs that meet the requirements of downstream systems or APIs, not just because cleanup. If an extended chain generates structured data and then uses a runnable lambda to validate it, what challenges might do you think might arrive with complex validation or detailed feedback? How do we actually build these chains in LangChain? LCEL is the syntax, the glue that connects our AI components. It provides a standard interface, making everything a runnable. A runnable can be a prompt, a model, a parser, or its own custom code. The star LCL is the intuitive pipe operator. Just like in command line, this pipe sends the output from one component directly to the next one. This design was heavily inspired by functional programming and Unix pipe, emphasizing composability and clarity. It makes chain readable and easy to maintain. First, chains offer powerful strategic benefits of AI development. First, enhanced modularity and maintainability. Each link in the chain is self-contained unit. We need to update our analysis method. Change only the specific component. Testing becomes simpler. You can verify each part in isolation. Debugging is also far more targeted. Second, accelerated development through reusability. Once you build a solid component, say for sentiment analysis, reuse it across your AI applications. LangChain itself offers pre-built components and community actively shares useful LangChain structures. This means you are not constantly reinventing the wheel. So why are chains go to for complex AI tasks? It is the power of divide and conquer. We break down big problems into smaller, manageable steps. This approach not only makes integrate tasks feasible but also helps scale our applications. You can precisely tailor each step in the sequence. Need to fetch data first? That's a link in a chain. If you want to apply a custom Python logic, another link. This modularity also means you can easily do A/B testing for different model or different prompts without overhauling your entire system. For a workflow like data retrieval, analysis, summarization, and report generation, don't add that covers the essentials of chains in LangChain. By understanding these principles, modularity, reusability, and the power of LCL, you are equipped to build more powerful and intelligent AI application. Thank you for joining me.